So very good morning to all of you. So this is Shrikant Jugar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So today we will discuss about the chi-square test. Okay, so the chi-square test uses the sample statistics x naught square equal to summation of I equal to 1 to n O of I minus E of I whole square divided by E of I. So capital O of I means observed number in the ith class, and E of I is the expected in the ith class. Okay, so for the uniform distribution E of I, the expected number in each class is given by, so capital E of I is equal to capital N by small n, where capital N is the total number of observation. So this test can be applied when the n value is greater than or equal to 50. So we'll take one example, okay, where use the chi-square test with alpha, that is the level of significance is 0.05, to test whether the data shown next are uniformly distributed or not. So these are the 100 numbers are given in the problem statement. Okay, so whether these numbers are uniformly distributed or not, so we are going to apply the chi-square test. Okay, so here this is the computation for chi-square test. So here the intervals, we are divided 0, 1 into the equal number of, that is 0, 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, 0.3, and 0.3, 0.4, 0.4, 0.5, 0.5, 0.6, 0.6, 0.7, 0.7, 0.8, 0.8, 0.9, 0.9, 0.1, 10 equal intervals. So interval 1 means 0 to 0.1, interval 2 means 0.1 to 0.2, like that. Interval 10 means 0.9 to 1. Okay, so O of I, so second column. So how these values are calculated? So out of these 100 numbers, how many numbers falls in the range of 0.0 to 0.1? That is, you will get 8 numbers. Then how many numbers out of 100 which falls in the range of 0.1, 0.2, which is 8? How many numbers out of 100 which falls in the range of 0.2, 0.3? That is 10. So like that it will continues. Okay, so if you add all these numbers, you will get 100. If you get less than 100 means you are made a mistake in the counting. So E of I is, which is 10 for each intervals. Okay, expected is 10 numbers, but observed is 8 numbers in the first interval. So O of I minus E of I whole square. Okay, so O of minus E of I, okay, fourth column you will get the values, then whole squaring of that we will get the fifth column values, then O of I minus E of I whole square divided by E of I, that is the fifth column divided by the third column, that is you will get these values 0.4, 0.4, 0.0, 0.1, 0.4, 0.4, 0, 1.6, 0.1. So if you sum all the values of the last column, you will get 3.4. Okay, that is manually calculated values is 3.4. Okay, so here see the value of x naught square is 3.4, which is calculated. So we'll compare this with the table value, that is appendix table A.6. Okay, you will get chi-square critical values with the alpha is 0.05 and x naught square 0.05, 9. So why it is 9? So n minus 1, so n is 10, so 10 minus 1 is 9, so it is 16.9. Okay, so the calculated value is always lesser than the table value, then it is accepted, means the null hypothesis of uniform distribution is rejected, means these numbers, these 100 numbers are uniformly distributed. Okay, so this is the one example we solved. Okay, so this is the end of the chi-square test and solving the one example for the chi-square test. Thank you one and all.